Day number 3 already, and the rain is still coming down. Couldn't work on the van, but it's supposed to clear up tomorrow, and I happen to be off the next couple days. So what I did, just went to Home Depot and picked up this butcher block, so we get to work on the countertop tomorrow. Yes, you know, space is very important, so every inch I want to use. In this case, above the heater in the back here, there is a little bit of room underneath the bench seat here, so I'm trying to utilize that space by creating this little storage here. This is a 12-inch by 14. Hey, anything helps, you know. You can store something in here. For the countertop, I'm using, this is 1.5 inch, 100% white birch, and I'm going to stain it with espresso color. Let's see how it comes out, but I think it will look nice. Again, this is Home Depot item. I'm staining it with espresso color. This one here. And I don't want to, this is like 3 coats already, and I don't want it to go too dark either. And I choose this color because everything else is gray and white, and I don't want it, the other color, which is kind of too red. So this one has kind of grayish in there, and keep it lighter like this. I think it's not too bad. And here's the original. You can see here's the original color. I think this is good enough. Well, what do you guys think of this color? I think it's not too dark, kind of blend in with the white, don't you think? I like it. And also this sink, this is a small sink. This is a 14 by 14 by 8 inches deep. This whole countertop is only 32.5 inches. It's small rather, and also it's high. It's 39 inches high, 3 inches higher than normal. The reason I do that is because it's I want the sink to fit here. Also, we cannot take more space this way for the bed, so the sink is kind of overlapping over the fridge, and to do that I have to raise it up to get the clearance for the sink. And now, since we have that space underneath it, I can put a drawer underneath as well. It works out this way. And also I want to put the sink, I mean the faucet, more to this corner, because I don't want it to you know, try to stay away from this side so it doesn't splash all over to this side. And also we're gonna have a fruit basket, fruit hammock right here, so it's not in the way either. Underneath here, put another LED right here just for convenience, in case, you know, there are people sleeping in here and another person gets up and wants to cooking or washing stuff anyway. Instead of turning all the lights to wake everybody up, you can just have this light on by itself, and just for convenience stuff. Also, this at least this little counter space is enough for induction stove. We have an induction stove here, and we also have an outlet here, and also outlet inside here. We can just route the cable through right here. So this van, I installed a wireless charger in this corner, and also it's there's a USB and the 110 plug in here. It's a pop-up one, so you can, there are four, I think, yeah, 4 110 plugs in here, and then USB and BC and USB on this side, and also a wireless charger for the phone. Make it more convenient, this one. So anyway, it's coming along. We are getting closer to complete on this van, guys. I spent a lot of time today try to perfection this countertop. It comes out very nice. I like it, and tomorrow just a little touch up, put like the silicone all underneath here, and then should be done with this galley by tomorrow, and then moving on to something else. Oh yeah, also, well, this sink comes with this sink cover. It was a natural wood color, but I stained it to match with this color. So now we have more counter space. This is really nice. Alright guys, that's it. This video is rather a little bit short. Well, that's it. This is the last video for the 2021. I want to thank you everybody for all your support. Thank you for all the subscribers for this year. I hope everybody's staying safe. It's been a fun year, travel, and the building vans. A lot of good compliments. Thank you very much. Yeah, all the support. Looking forward to more van build for 2022, and a lot more travel. Yes, we do have plan for travel, the more places in 2022. So I hope you guys are following along with us, and I can't wait. With that being said, at the end of this video, I also attach a short slide of where we went throughout the year, just random pictures, Sprinter van family in actions, different places, and I hope you guys enjoy watching that, and I will see you in 2022, or you watch this video in 2022. Thank you very much, and keep watching. Yes, I will see you later.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took just curious. When did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams.